Welcome to another episode of Playout Denver, the one real estate show that focuses on everything outdoors in the Denver metro area. So if you're into that, make sure you watch to the very end. My name is Brenton. I'm with the Acre Group real estate team, and today we're on Lookout Mountain checking out the charming downtown Golden area, a historic town just southwest of Denver. Whatever your style, downtown Golden has an activity for you, from whitewater kayaking to fine dining to shopping to breweries, theaters, you name it. There is fun for the whole family. We're going to give you a little tour, so let's cruise on down to downtown Golden.
All right, guys, so we're at downtown Golden, one of South Denver's best and most charming downtown areas. Theater, dining, and fun on Clear Creek are just a few of the super fun activities. But did you know that Golden is host of the original Coors Brewery? Since 1973, right here in Colorado, the traditional brewing of Coors has been at the foot of the Rocky Mountains in the largest single-site brewery in the world. And the best part, you can go inside the brewery, take a self-guided tour, and this brewery is massive. You can get to see the history of Coors, the malting, bottling, and packaging process. It's a very unique experience and one you do not want to miss. Free samples at the end of the tour too, so grab a group of friends or take your out-of-town visitors, schedule a tour, and be sure to check it out.
Okay, so you've seen the main attraction. Let's check out a couple other things. So we're standing here at Clear Creek, the heart of Golden. Clear Creek is a hot spot right on the edge of downtown for fishermen, kayakers, tubers, runners, and bikers. It's basically Golden's central hub of activity. Golden prides itself on its natural beauty, as you can clearly see here. Clear Creek is its masterpiece. The Clear Creek Trail is part of Golden's extensive trail system. Clear Creek Water Park hosts the Radical annual kayak rodeo competition and Golden Games, and fishermen often refer to it as the Golden Mile, a mecca for fly fishing up the creek.
Okay, here's one more thing you might want to check out too. So the dining and hotel options are sweet. We wanted to show you one of our favorites, the Table Mountain Inn. The Table Mountain Inn offers some of the best mountain views in southwestern charm. The Adobe-style boutique hotel offers true Western hospitality, and the Grill Cantina is one of the best southwestern cuisines around. They also host beautifully crafted events, from corporate meetings to weddings. It's a picture-perfect location in Golden, Colorado.
So now that you have an idea of exactly how charming and just how much fun downtown Golden can be for everyone, you got to get down here. Located just off the I-70, C-470, right before you head up to the Colorado Rockies. Thanks for watching another episode of Playout Denver, where we're all about all things outdoors and exploring the city we love. And if you love living here as much as we do, make sure you follow along. Until next time, thanks for watching. We are the Acre Group real estate team, and thanks for checking out our channel. We'll see you next time.